Hey YouTube, here's Heiko. We're looking at my 1974 R90/6. Slowly working, plugging away, and it's coming along. As you can see, carburetors are mounted. The emblems on the motor are mounted. There's actually fuel line with some little fuel filter in there. The front end looks pretty complete. The rear end doesn't at the moment. We have a little bit of an oil leakage between the final drive and the swing arm. That needs to come apart one more time. We have a seat on there. A tank is mounted. Filler cap is mounted. Handlebars are all on. There's still a grip missing over there, but everything is slowly coming together. The engine actually runs. Really noisy because there are no mufflers. Those are on order, so they're going to show up pretty soon. I don't have many other parts that I can throw at this at the moment because I'm waiting for a couple of shipments. But what I got is the BMW emblem for the tank. You can buy those still OEM from BMW, costs an arm and a leg, and what it is pretty much a aluminum sticker. It's made out of aluminum, and then the color part, the white, the blue, and the black is printed on it pretty much. And it has an adhesive backing. And I didn't want to spend one of my arms and my legs, so I ended up finding an alternative on eBay, made by a guy. It's also aluminum, and so at the moment there's a protective film on here. That's why it looks kind of weird. I will peel that off once they are mounted on the tank. Also has an adhesive backing. The difference is this is embossed. So the circle here, the silver cross here in the middle, and the BMW, and even the edge is raised. I don't know if you can see that. So it sticks out. So that's not OEM. This is someone trying to make an improved version of the emblem. I want those to have the best chance possible to stick to the tank. The section where the emblem goes is never going to see the light of day. This section here is always going to have an emblem, even if the ones from eBay for $4.99 will fail. I'm going to use a scuffing pad. I have gray scuffing pads from a automotive paint supply store that are really fine. It's just going to give the surface a little bit of a key. I'm not going to destroy the paint here. Well, actually it's powder coat, but I'm not going to destroy the paint. I will just scuff it up ever so slightly. Then I'm going to use this puppy here, Rust-Oleum wax and tar remover, which pretty much removes all the grease and the road film and whatnot, to give the sticker a best chance to stick to the tank. And then once that's done, then I'm going to stick the emblem on and hopefully get it straight and level. At the moment, it's sitting like it would be sitting on the center stand, even though the rear wheel is missing. I pulled the front wheel down to the ground, and it's clamped in between this front clamp there to hold it in place. So we're going to do this together. So let me put the tripod down, and then we're going to get started. So here's the scuffing pad. It actually says Type S ultra fine on there. This is what we're going to be using. I'm not going to use the whole thing, so I'm just going to cut a piece off. If you just have a regular scissor, you can just cut a strip off like so. And I'm just going to put some wax and tar remover as some, oops, that was a lot, as a little bit of some lubrication on there, and just ever so slightly. It really doesn't need to be much, and we're going to stay within the confines of this circle here because I don't want to scratch up the rest of the tank. At least we're trying our best, just so it has a little bit of a surface key, and the sticky adhesive backing of the emblem has actually something to stick to, kind of like so. I think we have hit all the surface. Let me grab it. Now I want to show you another product. This is Intex cloth-like rags, heavy-duty, lint-free. They literally feel like fabric, but it's more or less like cellulose paper. I don't know exactly. They come in this huge pack. This is a 500 pack. It just sits in the corner of my shop. They are much better than the blue shop towels that you get on a roll, like a kitchen paper towel. They really work really well. They absorb really well. They feel very soft, so they have no scratchiness to it, so they're not going to ruin any surfaces. Now you can see, I don't know if you can see, let me check. Can you see? It's a little scuffed up in that round circle here. It looks like I missed a couple corners, so we're just going to do a little more so we get it all the way. So like I said, there's going to be always an emblem. It doesn't matter if the paint under the emblem is not shiny. We just want the adhesive to stick to it really well. And scuffing it up and using this grease and tar remover, wax and tar remover with Rust-Oleum, we give the sticker best chance possible to actually stay there for a few years until it falls off. Kind of like so. And then we're going to take one of our imitation BMW emblems. Now I just have to eyeball it. Maybe we should have the lights on here, but too late. We're already making a video, right? So let's peel the backing off. Let's not touch the backing. This is all dry here. All dry. All right. Now we just need to get it in the middle. I don't think it will allow us to peel it off again if I get it all not straight. All right, that looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Uh-oh. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Messed up. Oh, it hasn't fully. Okay, let's start on one side and then slowly set it down. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Looks straight from here. Alright, sticky stick. I'm going to massage it from the middle to the outside, so if there's an air bubble, you're going to push it out. And then, yeah, that looks good. Does that look good for you? Yeah. Alright, and now I'm going to peel off the protective film that's over the aluminum here. If I can. Yeah, there it comes. There you go. Shiny. And let me take you over there, take a closer look. Oops, sorry. Wobble, wobble. So this is all embossed. So this is all popping out a little bit. And the guy who lists that on eBay, he actually said that he did that intentionally to make it pop a little more. The OEM one are completely flat, and it's just painted on it, you know, the black and the white and blue. And this one here is, he said, the improved version. I know, if you're a purist and you want everything to be as OEM as possible, yeah, it's pretty straight. Nobody's gonna notice. Yeah. All right, and I will do, yeah, let's turn on some light. Maybe that looks even better. Nope. I will do, oh yeah, there you go. I will do the other side without you guys watching. All right, guys, that's the emblem. $4.99, I believe, off of eBay. I have two of those, and then soon we're gonna take a look at how we're gonna attach the knee pads. I'm still researching what type of adhesive I will be using for this. I rather have anything that needs to be stuck to paint actually come off without taking the paint out, or here in this case powder coat. And then once this is all on, I think the tank needs a little bit of some polish. Yeah. All right, guys. You have a good one. Take care. Bye.